powerful tropical cyclone heading towards Yemen, of all places. The cyclone, known as Chapala, is showing some signs of weakening but remains a real threat in the Arabian Peninsula. Heavy rains, flooding expected when it makes landfall on Monday, and CNN meteorologist Tom Sater has been tracking the storm. And yeah, Yemen cyclone, it doesn't gel.
No, it doesn't. In fact, we went back to 1945 and looked at the records, and this is going to be the strongest, we believe, to ever make landfall. I mean, they don't have very many of them. If they do, it's usually Oman that gets hit. But this is going to be still strong, and the video you're seeing is, well, it proves it. Now, let's talk about this picture. Let me show you a satellite image. This has a well-defined eye right now. That means it's going to be very difficult for this storm to lose strength before landfall, which we believe will be late Monday night, overnight into Tuesday morning. And if you go back and look at the history, I mean, reliable records really only back to the 1980s. This is the second strongest tropical cyclone ever recorded in the Arabian Sea. And the strongest really only by about 20 kilometers. For all of the Indian Ocean, there's about 5 a year, 5 cyclones, 75% of them in the Bay of Bengal. Not many, 25%. You might get 1 or 2 here, but nothing like this size. And look where this is going. The Red Sea here, into the Gulf of Aden. 400 ships a week go through here, and this is going right into the mouth. But because it's spinning counterclockwise, high winds, strong surf and seas, and the outer bands have already been affecting areas of Oman. The last 2 storms that are even equivalent to this in the last 10 years, both made landfall up here, not in Yemen. Again, wind gusts right now at 250 kilometers per hour. It may lose a little bit of strength, but still could be a category strong 2 or 3. And again, this area here, Al-Makalla, they get about maybe 50 millimeters a year. This is going to drop 250 to 3. That's several years worth of rainfall, which is going to cause massive debris flows and flash flooding. That's going to take out any kind of power structure you have with, power lines and communication. So, Michael, this is a big, big deal here. You just don't see this kind of rain in this area. Again, late Monday night into Tuesday morning landfall, something unprecedented we haven't seen in this part of the world.